Namaste everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Shaftosh, co-founder of Sugarfit, and today we are diving into the world of crunchy, low-carb snacks. Crunchy snacks are often a craving, but for those managing diabetes, it's necessary to make smart choices. Today I'll share some delicious options that won't spike your blood sugar level at all. First, we have flavored almonds with only 2 grams of carb per 28 gram of serving. They are satisfying and nutritious choice. Next, homemade low-carb crackers made with almond flour, cheese, salt and water. These crackers contain just 1 gram of net carb per serving and they are very tasty at the same time. Carrots with yogurt dip are another great option. Yogurt seasoned with herbs and spices pairs perfectly with crunchy carrots, offering a tasty snack with minimal carbs. Next, roasted pumpkin seeds are both crunchy and nutritious. You can season them with your favorite spices and bake until golden brown for a delicious low-carb treat. For a simple yet satisfying snack, try cucumber slices topped with seasoning. It's guilt-free indulgence. Popcorn, another classic favorite. With only 5 grams of carb per cup, it's a great option for movies night and midday munching. Just be mindful of added butter though. Lastly, pistachios make for a heart-healthy and satisfying snack. With only 5 grams of carb per 30 gram, they are a great source of protein and healthy fats. So there you have it, a variety of crunchy, low-carb snacks for satisfying your craving without spiking your blood sugar level. If you found this content helpful, hit the subscribe button for more insightful content about diabetes. I'll see you in the next one.